After a long time later, once again, I'm going to upload a video which will be helpful for you. As you know, that's about the computers channels I've uploaded before that, whereas there's so many informations I've shared. But today's this video I'm making for the kids and for some other people or teachers when who are teaching computer. That's There are so many terms available which is required. There are so many terms available which is required, you know, like monitor, mouse, keyboard, CPU. These all of the things are the terms, right? So here in this video, I would like to share that what is these things and how to we can know it easily, right? So we will let you know, right? This information's for you about this. Some things might be if you need, then you can look this about this Rajban sentence. They're established one who established them. Okay, you can check it out if it you look Chalukyan and this all Joel, Sean, Grozer, Johan, and Chandales and Paul and all everyone. I do believe that this will help you out. This knowledge I had knowledge, that's why I thought I'll share this thing so that it will help you out. Some more information for you is about the Lada Mangaskur, known as the Swar Kokila, and it was 20th September 1929. So we salute always the world saluting these things and what about the great laws in our, not even our country, but the world about this music rules. We're knowing but we can't do anything. So there is a expiry date for everyone. So we all people has expiry dates. We should have to use and utilize, and we have to encourage that whatever given that people should never forget her, right? Filmfare about 1958, 1962, 1965, 1969, 1993, 1994, 54, Padam Bhushan, Dada Saheb Phalke, Padam Vibhushan, Bharat Ratna 2001, 1974. She becomes this most of this maximums, that is want to say that is singer songs. And from the 13th years she started her career, and in 36 language more than 30,000 to 50,000 songs she sang a song. And due to anyhow she becomes, that is she becomes no more in between to us, and she, that is you can say the ultimatums to the car, right? This was some kind of information for you. Some of the more informations you have about these things, that Olympics, artificial, and some things. If you need this information, then you can check it out if required. I'm not talking about that. If you need, then you can't. Otherwise, there is no. This is required. All right. So for kind information, so I said you for your betterments. If you're thinking, then this one is already I've already uploaded. Okay, this channel's already uploaded. If you still have not watched, please watch the channels and let me know, browse, that where it should be a change and where it should be a problem, right? I like to share once again about this pics whichever I uploaded before. Then I got this lots of this informations about this pics that it was uploaded, right? So these all everything's this story one by one. So I would like to share. Might be to like these things, whichever I have uploaded before, and for once more I am going to upload this thing. Right, these things already I have shown you before also. For your kind information, just I'm sharing this ability to speak so that you will remember and let you know about your skill details. Right, I'm not talking about that you have to wear or not, but you have changed all everything, so no doubt. So we are just going to start once again for today's, there's topics where I will share something which will be important for this your the terms, these all everything that if you want to know about your number details and what the energy is showing in your name, then just you can write this all everything, and from that you can set up with this number and you will get the air energy, which I told you that if you balance your energy, then you will get the high, sure and secure where in which directions who is living. This is once information for you, that in north side who is a Kuber, and the south side is Jama, with the west side Varun, east side Indra, and the sun is down, that is northeast, which is Jupiter, and the variable that is your south, and that is east and west. East and west here variable that is just the air. Alright, this is also for kind information that if you need this all everything, if you want to know about this, which number is the worst value, like for advanced careers, valuable travel, marital 6, white gray marital colors, create a very children's matter, white gray marriage, love relationship, fame, parent reputations, wealth, property use, family health, and this all everything will help you out if you want to know about the number details. Now just I would like to share some things which is very important for you, that if you want to know about this, which is the Lakshmi Yantra. This way we already share all this information with you. I do believe that you like this all everything what I'm sharing. Okay, now I would like to share some things which will be more interesting about this, that is this all pics are very important for our skills one who are about ordains and importance and a very you can say the devotee devotions and all everything's they have here in our skills. So I try to share all everything, right? I believe that you will like those things, and still if you have not subscribed, then please subscribe, share and hit the bell button, so that I would like to help you out. Alright. Here just I'm going to share about today's video. In this today's video I would like to share this about the key point about this key points about the key computer terms for children to know, which is very important. So only you have to learn the glossary of basic computer terminology, helps kids use computer and talk about using. Backup, an extra copy of a file, documents for all data. That means when you will keep it in memory for your safe and secure. That time you can say backup. Store on a computer, when you extra copy of a file, documents for all data stored on a computer, that is you can say backup. Computer browser, a program you use to browse files. When you use to browse a file, make sure you will watch this video till the end, otherwise lots of information you are going to miss. Web browser like Firefox, Chrome or Edge will browse internet files. Caret or file files, character insertion point, the small blinks line that shows you where your next type of letters or number value computer. Write a software that was written to do bad stuff to your computer. That is software. That is virus also software, but it is not good for your computer. It's a hack and it's a disturb and it's a hang the computer. Cursor, a small arrow on the screen that moves when you move. A small arrow on the screen that moves when you move. The mouse and is used to make a selections, that is whatever you want to do in your computers is required what the cursor point you are watching by the help of mouse. Data, many information stored by computers, for example files, emails, app, video, games, songs and pictures. This all everything are was your data. Pictures, desktop screen that appears if you are not browsing this internet, reading the files or playing the games. Your icons are on this screen. Whatever you are downloading, right? When you are not using that times, wherever it appears, Okay, this is to say here what this. All right, Max here. This is one simple information for you. That's don't try to that will skip this video. If you'll skip this video, then lots of information you are going to miss. Right? Desktop screen that happens. That appears if you are not browsing the internet, reading the files or playing the games here or icons are on the screen, right? So the desktop is what? Screen that appears if you are not browsing the internet, reading your files or playing the games, your icons are on the screen, right? Downloads process where you copy something from another computer or the internet and save it on your computer. Drag and drop. What is drag and drop? You click on something and hold the mouse button down, it moves the object, right? E-commerce, shopping and buying things, email, a way to send a message from the computer to say an FAQ, that is there is abbreviations for frequently asked questions. This is FAQ. Graphics, a pictures or an image, home page, first page of she. When you open your browsers, you can make any page your home page, that is home page, first page. Icon, a small symbol or picture that represents the programs or other things in it. Many computer connects like a web, so you can see what other computer operates you and you can show them things. Log on. How you get access to a computer by typing in your username and password is log on. Malware, malicious code that cyber criminals launch to try to damage other people's computer. Memory, where a computer stores data, temporary memory, called random access memory RAM. You have read already memory and permanent memory, which is ROM. Called read only memory ROM. Password, a secret code to protect your data and keep others from accessing your computer. Phishing and email scams that dishonest people use to try to get you to reveal your password or the information they could use to hack. Enter your private information. Right clicks when you push the right hand buttons on a two buttons mouse. It gives you a menu option. Screensaver, a picture that pops when you are not using your computer. Shortcut icon is a shortcut to a file or program. Social networking sites, website that allows people to connect in a computer, communicates with other people. Examples are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Twitter, and Snapchat. Software, all the instructions for the computer or a program designed to the different things. Microsoft Word and Windows 10 are the example of software program. Spam, computer abbreviations for sending particularly annoying messages and unwanted email. Taskbar, bar on your computer that shows what progress are going on. Open URL, address of documents and resources on the internet. User, anyone using a computer. User, wallpaper, pictures or designs on a desktop. For decorations, World Wide Waves, a group of internet. Servers linking computers around the world. The World Wide Waves, a group of internet servers linking computers around the world. Definition of physical parts. This is a list of computers, terms of talent, comes of hardware or physical parts of computer. Computer, electronic machine that can store and process data. It is hardware, which is the machines itself, and software, which is a set of instructions. Desktop, a full-size computer with a central processing unit CPU connected to a computer. External hard drive, a device that acts like a computer hard drive without being installed in the computer, plugs into a computer via port, and you can copy files to keyboards where all the letters, numbers, and other buttons are located. When you type on it, the symbols appear on the monitor. Laptops, small portable computer. Microphones allow you to talk to others through a computer, assuming you are connected to that via mail connections. Modems, a device that allows your computer to connect to the internet. Monitor screen that shows you what you are doing. Mouse, the little device you move with your hand with the mouse peripheral and access that you use with your computer, not part of the computer itself, but it connects to the computer via cable, wireless access. Printer, device that prints all data sent Router network that allows computer to send and receive data by a network scanner device that scans something that pleasant sensing. Speaker device that are sounds come out of this are the output device also can touchpad other on a laptop that substitutes for a mouse you move your finger around on it. Trackpad in other terms of touchpad part of a laptop that functions as a mouse. Cursor on the screen by moving your fingers device. This was this simple information about this thing. I do believe that you will like this thing since you will try to read and write so many times. Make sure if still you have not subscribed, then just you can go and subscribe and hit the bell button and so that whatever the video I will upload you will get in the first time. Thank you very much.